What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today we're going to be removing the fog light inserts on a third generation Honda Fit. Now, to do this, you will need to remove your front bumper. I already have a video on how to remove the front bumper on my YouTube channel, so I'll put a link in the description below. Now, my Honda Fit is just a base model, so I do not have fog lights. If you do have fog lights, it's just an extra step of disconnecting each fog light before completely removing your front bumper. I did pick up a set of fog light and fog light inserts off of Amazon. However, I just used the fog light inserts to direct better airflow to my cold air intake, get a cleaner look for my PA speaker, and that's how you install an HPS cold air intake on a third generation Honda Fit. And later on, installing a DIY laser jammer.
Turning the garage off.
So let's get started. It's a real simple process where you just need to pop a couple tabs. I'm sure there's pictures online, but sometimes you just need to see video. Sometimes you need to just find your screwdriver. There's going to be 7 large tabs and 1 small tab that we need to pop out. Try to keep pressure down while doing the first couple, and then the rest should just be easier to fall out. I got the camera balancing on the bumper. Putting the fog light or insert back in is fairly simple. Just place it back in and make sure all the tabs are in. You might want to flip the bumper around to make sure you have all the tabs inserted correctly. That way you won't bend any. And that's how you remove the fog lights or fog light inserts on a 3rd gen Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.